Hi there, my name is Fox, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to build birch trees in my way. Why are trees so important? Trees are often one of the most important aspects of terrain or a build. They can totally change the looks and feels of a build, so better it be a right tree and not a bad one. Let's get to it. To build the wood, we're going to use a placeholder so that we can replace it with 6-sided logs later. To start building a tree, I suggest doing it above ground so that you can work on its roots as well. Later on, the finished tree will be pasted into your desired location. The line that I just built will be there for ground level, more or less. Then we build the tree trunk. Now you need to start working on the branches. They shouldn't be too long at the bottom, but not too short. They need to be bigger and bigger the higher you build them, until a certain point when they are all the same size. You can build the branches deviating from others to cover up more space. It is both realistic and better looking than a single branch. Keep in mind that straight branches are going to look bad in most cases. Build them off axis or curved. Notice how the branches are going up at the ends. It isn't necessarily always like that. There are different types of birch trees, so you can also build a birch tree with branches going down. It's not a problem. The branches need to become shorter again in the last quarter of the whole tree height, approximately. Retexture the roots with acacia wood and the rest with birch wood. Now comes the hardest, the longest and the most important part of tree architecture: leaves. Place the leaves like I do at the ends of branches in bunches, and then add some longer hanging leaves at the bottom. Once you reach the top, you just need to cover up the middle branch, but not just its end, the whole sticking out stick. You can connect it to other leaf bunches if you feel like a spot is too empty. The final step consists of mixing the leaves to add a bit of variety and pleasure to the eyes. Select the tree and use the recommended comment. Thanks for watching this video. If this helped you, give it a like, or if it didn't, let me know in the comments what's wrong. It's my pleasure to help you. Bye bye.